Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2017 on a 67 plate Skoda Fabia Estate. This is the 1 litre SE turbocharged petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in the beautiful race blue metallic, and the car has covered just 6,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this super low mileage Fabia Estate. What a useful little car this is. September 2017 registered, just 6,400 miles, 2 owners from new, previously retailed by ourselves and now back in stock. So we know the car, despite the very low mileage. Excellent service history, 6 recorded services, so serviced right the way through its life every year. Matching Kumo tyres all round with virtually unmarked 15-inch alloy wheels. In fabulous condition throughout. It really is a proper example, this one. £180 a year to tax, as with all cars of this age. 60 plus miles to the gallon, according to Skoda themselves, on a combined run. And the race blue metallic with the alloy wheels. Lovely combination. Fabias are popular enough, but the estate models even more so, especially on the used market. Excellent boot spaces, which we'll come to shortly. SE level of specification. So you've got remote central locking, and it does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Obviously you've got the alloy wheels. Interior is lovely, as you'd expect. All the bolsters, etc., all good. Steering wheel in good shape, as are all the door cards. Electric front windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. We've got the original Fabia carpet mats underneath. Start-stop facility, which you can switch off, and then up onto the steering wheel itself. You've got your trip computer. You've also got your radio controls, speed limiter at the back there. There's your mileage, 6414. Manual handbrake down below. Bit of storage behind. 5-speed manual gearbox. A couple more cup holders down below, along with your 12-volt socket, auxiliary input and USB. Very straightforward setup. As with all the Volkswagen Group cars, easy to use. Air conditioning just above. Where are the handbooks gone? We'll have the handbook somewhere. And if I just start the car up, you've got that big infotainment system. It's just shouting at me because the door's open. Loads of fuel in it as well. 3/4 of a tank, look at that. DAB digital radio. Apple CarPlay, you got your mirror link, Android Auto as well, so you can link your phone up to it and have your sat nav and whatever else. That's all your car settings. Bluetooth for your telephone, and like I say, you've got your DAB radio as well. Super easy to get along with. All Volkswagen parts, of course. It's really a Polo with a bigger boot on it. Again, you've got your mats in the back. Windy windows. Excellent condition again in the back of the car. 3 proper seat belts. And the ISOFIX for the child seats. Really useful family car. Round to the back, we've got your parking sensors across the rear. And into the boot space. This is where it comes into its own, of course. Huge flat level boot space. Storage on either side. Parcel shelf, split folding rear seats. Doesn't come a lot better than that. Underneath you've got a secondary layer. Again, in immaculate condition. And underneath that, keep on delving. Full size spare wheel, again with a Kumo tyre. And your locking wheel nut key and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it, as good as it gets really. September 2017, Skoda Fabia SE Estate, 1 litre petrol, with 6,000 miles. Excellent service history right the way through its life. And 60 plus miles to the gallon. The car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. There's your reg. Popular, always popular, these Fabias. Looks really good value, super low mileage. This one won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.